Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Today we're going to provide solutions doon sa mga practice problems sa ating previous lesson about linear equations. So, recap lang or review. A linear equation is an equation that represents a straight line when graphed on a coordinate plane. It shows a relationship between variables where the highest power or degree of the variable or variables is 1. So, the general form of a linear equation is for one variable, we have ax plus b equals 0. So we have example here, 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. For two variables, the general form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So for example, you have 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0. So for three variables, the general form is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals 0. So for example, x plus 2y minus z plus 5 equals 0, where a, b, c, and d are constants, while x, y, and z are variables. So we have different methods or rules in solving linear equations. First, we have the addition rule, the subtraction rule, multiplication rule, division rule, and the transposition rule. So lahat ito pwede nating magamit in solving linear equations. So let's set practice problems 1, 2, 3. So determine the value of the variable. For number 1, 6x minus 24 equals 36 minus 14x. So, katulad ng sinasabi natin, lahat ng variables lipat sa kaliwa. So, kung yung negative 14x, pag nilipat natin sa left side of the equation, it will become positive 14x. At lahat ng constants to the right side of the equation. So, the negative 24 will become positive 24. So, simplifying the equation, so that will be 20x equals 60. So, divided by both side by 20. So, kung ano yung kasama ng variable, yun ang ating divisor. So, tulad nito, 20x. So, ang kasama ng x ay 20. So, yun ang ating divisor. So, simplifying, makakancel yung 20, then x is equals to 3. For practice problem number 3, 2, that is 3 times 2x minus 5 plus 4 equals 19. So using distributive property of multiplication, that is 3 times 2x, that is 6x. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15, plus 4 equals 19. So 6x, it will stay on the left side of the equation, and negative 15 plus 4, ita-transfer natin to the right side of the equation. So change lahat ng kanyang sign. Yung negative 15 will become positive 15. Yung positive 4 will become negative 4. So simplifying again, so 6x is equals to 30. So that is divide both side by 6. So makakancel yung 6. So x will become 5. So the value of x is equals to 5 for number 2. And for number 3, simply i-open lang natin yung close parenthesis, no? Aalisin natin yung parenthesis. So, yung lahat ng nasa loob ng parenthesis, mababago ang sign. Kaya yung 2i, naging siyang minus 2i. Yung positive 7, naging siyang negative 7. Dahil yung kanyang sinusundan na sign is negative. So, lahat ng nasa loob ng parenthesis, mababago. Kung ang sinusundan niya ay positive, walang mababago kahit buksan natin ang parenthesis. So since ang rule natin kapag nauna na sign is negative, mababago lahat ng sign. So simplifying, so that is 5i minus 2i is equals to 3i. Yung negative 7, ililipat natin to the right side of the equation. It will become positive 7. So 3i is equals to 27. Divide both side by 3. So makakancel natin yung 3, matitira yung I. So 27 divided by 3, I is equals to 9. Practice problem number 4. So again, we will be using distributive property of multiplication. So 7 times 3x is 21x. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. Negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Negative 5 times 7 is negative 35. Equals 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. Then plus 8. Then again, pagsama-samahin lahat ng variables to the right, to the left side of the equation. So 21x minus 10x at yung positive 12x sa right side, nilipat natin sa left side of the equation, it will become negative 12x. So negative 27 will stay yung kanyang sign, negative 27 and plus 8. Then yung negative 28, ilipat natin sa kanan, it will become positive 28. And negative 35, lipat natin sa right side of the equation, it will become positive 35. So simplifying the equation, so negative x is equals to 44. So divide both sides by negative 1. So x will be negative 44. So for problem number 5, so simply multiply both sides by 4 para makancel natin yung denominator na 4 dito sa left side. So using that multiplication rule, so 4 times x minus 2 over 4. So makakancel yung 4. Matitira yung numerator natin na x minus 2. Sa kabila naman ay 5 times 4. That is equals to 20. So lipat sa kanan yung negative 2. It will become positive 2. Then x is equals to 22. Practice problem number 6. So 2r plus r over 3 equals 14. So simply multiply both sides by 3. So pag nangyari yon, i-apply naman natin yung distributive property of multiplication. So 3 times 2r, it is 6r. Then 3 multiply by r over 3. Makakancel yung 3. Matitira yung r. Then sa right side, 14 times 3 is 42. So simplifying the equations, 7r is equals to 42. Again, divide both sides by 7. Makancel yung 7. R is equals to 6. For problem number 7, so since ang denominator natin dito ay 5, so multiply natin both side by 5. So pag nangyari yon, so again, distributive property of multiplication. So 5 times 3a over 5, makakancel yung 5, matitira yung 3a. Then 5 times 15, that is 75. Dito naman sa right side of equation, 5 times a over 5. Kakancel yung 5, matitira yung a na denominator, numerator rather, plus 27 times 5 is 135. So simplifying the equation, lipat sa kabila yung a na variable, it will become negative a. At yung 75, lipat uli natin sa right side of the equation, so it will become negative 75. So 3a minus a is 2a and 135 minus 75 is 60. So divide both sides by 2. Makakancel yung 2. A is equals to 60 divided by 2. So a is equals to 30. Practice problem number 8. Determine the value of the variable y. So ito yung ating gagawin. Sisimplify muna natin yung numerator kasi para maalis yung parentheses. So using distributive property, applying to the numerator, that will become 3y. And 3 times 2 is 6. So 3y plus 6 over 5 minus 4 equals 2. Then multiply both sides by 5. Dahil may denominator tayong 5. Para makancel yun, multiply natin parehas ng 5. So 5 multiply by 3y plus 6 over 5. So makakancel yung 5, matitira yung numerator na 3y plus 6. Then 5 times negative 4 is negative 20 equals dito sa right side which is equals to 10. Then simplifying the equation, lipat sa kabila lahat sa right side of the equation yung ating mga constants. So positive 6, it will become negative 6 and negative 20 will become positive 20. So again, simplifying, that will be 3y is equals to 24. So divide both side by 3. So makakancel ngayon itong 3. Matitira ang y is equals to 24 divided by 3. That is equals to 8. Practice problem number 9. So we have 3x plus 2 over 4 plus x minus 6 over 2 equals to 4x plus 20 over 6. So multiply both side by 12. Kasi yung 12, that is the least common. Okay? That is the common factor ng 4, 2, and 6. So pag nag-multiply tayo, so ang gagawin natin, distributive property of multiplication. So 12, i-divide natin ng 4. So ang sagot ay 3. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then 3 times 3x plus 2 plus the next term, 12 divided by 2, that is equals to 6, multiply ng numerator, multiply by x minus 6, then equals 12 divided by 6, itong nasa right side of the equation, 12 divided by 6 is 2, multiply by the numerator, that is 2, multiply by 4x plus 20. So, simplify the equation, again using distributive property of multiplication, 3 times 3x, that is 9x, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times x, that is 6x, 6 times negative 6 is negative 36, equals 2 times 4x is equals to 8x, 2 times 20 is equals to 40, so plus 40. So simplifying, again, all the variables to the left side, so 9x plus 6x minus 8x is equals to 40 minus 6 plus 36. So simplifying, 7x is equals to 70. So again, ang kasama ng ating variable ay 7, kaya yun ang ating magiging divisor. So divide both sides by 7. So makancel yung 7. So x is equals to 10. So that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!